and I was going to show you one of our favorite experiments that we do in the summer. Today we're going to be making snakes like you would for fireworks. So typically they're just like these little pellets with some kind of toxic chemicals in them, and you light them on fire, they just kind of grow and look like a snake as they're moving. So today we're going to do a little more friendly version. So once again, we're using fire and some things that can catch on fire and explode very easily. So make sure that you're, one, asking your parents if this is okay. You should be doing it with a parent and using a little bit of common sense. So when it's done, make sure the fire is completely out before you're leaving it. But it's really super simple. So what I did is I just grabbed a piece of aluminum foil. I have some sand, and I went ahead and made a small dip in it where I'm going to put my mixture. You're going to do a 4-to-1 ratio. So this is 4 tablespoons of baking soda, or baking sugar, sorry, and then 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And all I'm going to do is mix those together a little bit and pour them right in the center of my sand. Okay. I am going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it. Make sure that you're moving this away from your fire before you light it. So when I go ahead and light this, you should see the sugar, or sucrose, start to burn. Let's see if I can get my lighter to go in. It's very windy today. Try to catch some of those. So as they burn, you should see them start to move like little snakes. So they'll smell really good, like marshmallows, but please don't make sure that you're not eating them, especially since they've been mixed with alcohol, or you could use lighter fluid. And what's happening is that the sugar, or sucrose, is starting to burn, and the carbon dioxide gas that's being released is helping puff up those areas. Okay, and so you should see those, sorry, just adjusting, starting to grow and move like little snakes. It's like a bad time of day to be out here. And although you can't smell it on here, they smell really good. So you can experiment with your ratios of how much sugar you want to use. If you were using a larger amount, you could probably be able to build some stronger ones. But once again, make sure that you have an adult with you, or they have okayed you to do this, and please make sure your fire is completely out before you walk away. Hope you had fun.